Kelly Ruxin, and I founded Mountcom TCR. I have 25 years experience on Wall Street. Part of that business is private wealth management, engaging people and going to their values and creating their own sustainability with sustainable impact investments. But the other side, and the one reason I was late today, is I'm trying to solve some of these problems. And the best way I can explain it is right now there's $100 trillion in the global equity markets. $100 trillion is a lot of money. And really all that is a bet. When you buy a stock, you do have some ownership, and that's where this conversation can get a little bit more interesting. But what does that ownership get you? Really, it's a bet on a company. And I had someone say to me a couple weeks ago, you mean when I buy a stock, the company doesn't get my money? It was a sophisticated person. People don't really understand that are these really investment vehicles? They're bets. Is the company going to go up? Company going to go down? Okay, well, I'm trying to rethink that entire thing and throw out the word equity and throw out the word debt. And I just came from a meeting where we're looking to finance a project, and we're looking to say to the company and the project, okay, what's the most sustainable way you want to bring in capital? And how do you want to pay that investor back? Equity. Forget equity. This project's not going to go exit somewhere. They're not going to IPO. They're not going to M&A into something else down the line. People deserve to participate in those cash flows. And so we're looking at these structures and saying, okay, well, let's find a new name for it. Let's just call it an investment. And let's figure out what creates sustainability for the company and then what creates sustainability for the investor. Where is the ownership? Where is their dividend paying? Pretty simple. And then we're taking it, and instead of it only going to wealthy people, which is fine in impact investing, is break it into $1,000 increments so everyone can buy it, and break it out and do it so through the SEC that it's for accredited, which is you have to have $1 million in assets or more, and it's also available to unaccredited. So that's the machine that I'm building so we can start to solve these problems. Obviously, this is for the 1%, so to speak, on the planet, and but it will slowly start trickling down, and as blockchain comes in and can be a better delivery system, this is, I was told about 5 or 6 years ago that the time that was coming in 2016, 17, 18 was going to be more transformational for humanity and bigger for human beings than us learning how to walk. That literally who we are as mammals is going to change so much in the years to come. We are going to become unrecognizable. And I think that this is all just the beginning of that. And so this is my piece and my quantum piece of coming in and being that bridge, because I can feel and understand that. I don't think we're even going to have money. We're not even going to hoard money. We're going to somehow be exchanging through probably this distributive ledger in a way that it's just going to flow in abundance and we're not going to need to hold it. But right now we do. And so to really rethink what investment means so every single person has the right to be involved in the success of a company so that they can actually participate in our capital markets. And so that's what I'm working on and every day and with a lot of people in this room on different projects. So please, when you walk out and someone says debt or equity, remind them that's just a construct we created. That's just how we decided it's supposed to be. It doesn't have to be that way. And there's lots of ways to simply rethink how capitals flow.